It's kind of chilly out, so I set my coffee up last night, and I'm going to show you how simple it is to make coffee in the car. Okay. I filled up my electric kettle last night with water, and I'm going to go ahead and start the car because it works off a 12 volt and I have it plugged into the car. And now to start the car, that's the hard part because you have to have your foot on the brake. I'm not there. Okay, we got this, we got this. Yes! Whew. Blue light means it's on. There, see? So it's going to heat up. It does take, to get to boiling, it'll take about 12 to 15 minutes, but to get hot enough for coffee, it takes about 8 minutes or so. So, super easy, right? All you have to do is a little gymnastics, and you got this. The beauty of having that little electric kettle heating up in the car is I can make coffee in bed. So, I use the AeroPress here. They're very simple little gadgets. It's got a filter they come with. You can reorder more of those online if you need, but something you may not know is you can reuse these filters way more than once. I use them like 5 times. You can see mine is a little dirty here from previous use, but I rinse them off and use them until I pretty much can't anymore because I feel like it's always good to reduce your waste, one, and two, I like to save money, so why not reuse things? Okay, so on to the good stuff, the coffee. Just push the plunger down here, like this, and it comes with a great little scoop. We're gonna have to edit this so it doesn't take as long, because I'm sure this is not the most exciting moment of anyone's life. Okay, so we have our coffee out. It comes with its own little scoop that fits perfectly right into the AeroPress. So you can just put your coffee in there, no spilling, and that's it. Now we just wait for hot water. Levi, can you move? Thanks. While I'll make coffee in bed, I'm not ballsy enough to pour hot coffee in bed or hot water. So we're going to go through the steps here. It's amazing how much space you have in a tiny car. Sarcasm implied. Okay, so what are we doing? Yeah, we're moving that out the way. Oh, okay, so hot water. We're ready for it. All right, I'm going to go ahead and barely pull that out. I think we are. Oh, yes, we are hot enough. Okay, good, good, good. Oh, this is dumb. Come on, Neely. So we're going to just pour it right here over my little table. Nice, no spilling. Oh, nope, I take that back. Little splash. All right. Now that that's done, so I just fill it up. Ooh, there is a stir stick and it is way back there. So we're just not stirring today. Hang on, wait, I might have a pencil. My life would be so much easier if I would have taken this fan down a while ago. Okay, yeah, see? Now I can almost sit up. So now we are going to turn this bad boy upside down into our mug. And it is as simple as that. And just find a surface. There we go. Then you just slowly press it down. This part takes a moment. You can use your face. Kind of rest it on there. That's good for sleepy mornings. All right, we're going to have to fast forward this. Sweet baby Jesus, that was harder than normal. Don't know why. Okay. We're not done yet. Now, if you like your coffee strong, you're done. I tend to add a little bit more of this hot water And you can add as much or little as you want for your taste buds. And then, of course, cream, sugar, all that good stuff. Okay. Back to the back. Ugh. Oh my goodness, stop. Sorry, Levi. Yeah, you kind of took up the whole bed, what? Is that so? I know, you didn't know I was coming back. That's okay. We'll squeeze together. You're nice and warm. Although, okay, now we're better. Oh my goodness. All right, so now we're in the back of the car again, in cozy bed, because that is where I left the creamer and cinnamon. Gotta be a little bougie when we're out camping, right? Here's the stir that it comes with. Works better than a marker. And voila! Coffee in a car. I do that every time. Every time. So I think I'm just gonna hang in bed a little bit, drink some coffee, and in a little bit we'll get dressed and let these dogs out.